In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Discord account to CoinMarketCap. If you're looking to access exclusive features and stay up to date with the latest market trends, linking these two platforms will be a beneficial step. Let's dive in and make this process clear and straightforward. First, you need to navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to coinmarketcap.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. It's packed with valuable information and the latest market insights, so having an understanding of its layout is beneficial. Next, you'll want to locate the profile icon. It's typically situated in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. As you're aiming to connect your Discord account, you'll want to click on Settings. This will guide you to your profile settings page, where the magic begins. After you've clicked Settings, you'll find yourself on your profile page. Here, take a moment to breathe and scroll down the page. You're searching for the integration options that allow you to connect external platforms, such as Discord, to your CoinMarketCap account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page, as it holds key configurations that can enhance your user experience. In this section, you will spot the Connect button associated with Discord. Clicking this button will initiate the process of linking your accounts. It's a seamless experience assured by CoinMarketCap's user-friendly interface. Don't hesitate. Click Connect, and let's proceed. Once you've hit that Connect button, an authorization window will appear. This is where the final step happens. The window will direct you to log into your Discord account, ensuring that it's a secure connection. It's crucial to remember your Discord login credentials at this point. Enter your details and continue. After successfully logging in, you may be prompted to authorize CoinMarketCap to connect with your Discord account. It's important to read through the permissions being requested. Typically, these allow for information sharing between the platforms, enhancing your overall experience. Once satisfied, confirm the authorization. With these steps complete, your Discord account should now be successfully connected to CoinMarketCap. This linkage allows you to tap into exclusive community features and stay connected with like-minded crypto enthusiasts seamlessly. Take a moment to explore what this integration offers and how it might benefit your interests or strategies within the crypto world. Whether it's detailed market insights, community discussions, or access to exclusive events, the connection creates new opportunities for engagement and learning. Thanks for following along with this guide. With your Discord connected to CoinMarketCap, you're now ready to dive deeper into the crypto community. Feel free to share your experience or any insights you discover along the way, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy connecting!